Alright guys, what you're gonna need to make homemade bread is 4 cups of just regular flour, 2 cups of hot water about 120 degrees, uh, 10 grams of salt, 5 grams of yeast. First thing you're gonna do is put the salt in, and you're gonna add the yeast. Then what you're gonna do now is mix it all up, and as soon as this is all mixed up, you're gonna start adding water, and we're just gonna continue with that. So you're gonna add all this water in. The water is really warm, and just continue mixing it. This shouldn't take too long. Alright, so been mixing it for a little bit, so we have the bread looking really nice. Here what you're gonna do is add some flour here, put it in so it doesn't stick. What you're gonna do is just go like this, put it back in, just like that, and take something like this, like a little towel or a rag, put it around, seal it really nice, and what you're gonna do right now is you're gonna leave this for 3 to 4 hours right here. And so we had this here for 3 hours. What we're gonna do now is this is our next step. Put some flour so it doesn't stick. Oh, yeah, we have this bread surprisingly alright, get it there. This is all you need to do, and put some flour so it doesn't stick again like it did. You're gonna use this paper, so put it in here, cover it. So now I'm gonna turn the oven on 450, or you can use a barbecue. I'm actually gonna use a barbecue, so I'm gonna put it on 450, and I'm gonna preheat this so this catches 450, and come back and put the bread inside and take it outside. All right, I got this to 450. Take it out now. Open the lid up. See this. I'm gonna drop the bread inside. Put the lid back on. And we'll come back in 30 minutes. 30 minutes later, let's see what we have here. Oh, this is very hot. Oh, the bread is looking very good. So we'll leave it for another 10-15 minutes and come back. So after I took the lid off, I actually let it go for another 20 minutes altogether. And this is the final result. The color is absolutely amazing. So take it back inside the house and we'll take a better